Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AWeber. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing to do is to create an account. So you can simply go to aweber.com and from there, you will be able to start create your account. So you will be able to have like a free trial first or a free plan so you can try AWeber. So either you can continue with Google or you can start uh, signing up with your name and email address. So after that, you will be needing to start like using your Aweber tools, and one of them, for example, is to use Aweber for the email marketing, of course, and then you will be having tools for prospecting. That means you will be able to start manage the people that you have or subscribers or prospects, and you will have engagement tools. That means like landing pages, forms, and emails. And from here, you will have like the conversation, which are the emails, etc., and the plays, which are the automations. So basically, you will be needing to start using all the tools of Aweber. And for your landing pages or your emails, you will be able to start customizing the templates, and you will be able to customize and personalize your uh, templates or emails and landing pages. So simply you will have like theme settings, you will have a smart designer from templates, and you will be also able to use Canva into your account. So as you can see for your editor, you will be able to start drag and drop any like the images, add in text sections, and as you can see, you can have like many tools that you can use for customizing your website or your landing pages and forms. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.